Are med spas the new McDonald's? What patients need to know.
A good question. I'm not worried. We're not going to be a drive-through med spa at Trifecta. What makes us special, what makes us different, is that we are New York born and bred. We've been around since 2013. We're going to be around for a lot longer than that. And we are real. We're here. We are not looking to grow to other states or make some kind of a generic experience out of our med spa. This is where we treat our friends. This is where we treat our family. This is where we like to be. And this is where we're going to definitely individualize treatment to our patients and individualize approach as much as necessary.